Okay, students, here's the review for the quiz and a continuation of our studies of moles and molar conversions. It says here in number 3, calculate number of moles in 32.0 grams of, looks like it's titanium chloride. Right? So the first thing that you need to do, there's not much space here, so you don't have that space to do 1, 2, 3, 4 steps, right? So I'm only focusing at the meat of the equation, which in this case is to do your ladder, 32.0 grams of titanium chloride, TiCl4, sorry, not 2, but 4, and you draw your railroad track or your ladder. Okay. I'm going from grams into what, class? I'm going from grams into moles, so my grams have to go on the bottom, and 1 mole has to go on top. Okay, at this point it's crucial that we all use the same periodic table. Go ahead, take out your orange periodic table, and find me the molar mass of titanium chloride, please. Okay. Did anybody get it? No. All right, 1 titanium, right? How heavy is titanium? 47.86. That's right. 47.867. And then I have 4 chlorides, right? Which is 4 times 35.453. Okay, you add it up, multiply it, add it up, what do you get? Right? This is what you should get right here. So I get 189.692 grams of titanium chloride. My grams will divide each other and I'm left in moles. All right, go ahead, plug this into your calculator, tell me what you get. While you do that, I will copy it down. And what is your final answer? Box it in, and this is how you present it. Okay?
Can you show them my answer?
This is it. Okay? Let's look at the next one. Let me know when you're done copying it. The next one, I'm looking for the mass in grams of 40 moles. So I'm going from moles to grams, right? I'm going the other way around. I'm about to cover this up. Is everybody finished?
Is it CL?
Yes?
Is it CL?
This is everything.
4.
Well, yes, that's what we are working with. Okay, I'm about to cover it up. And here we go. I have 40 moles of sodium carbide, and I want to change the moles to grams. So if I have moles on top, class, what goes on the bottom? Moles, thank you. So 1 mole of sodium carbide is how many grams. So how do I do that? How many? So everybody should be shooting this out. This should not be something weird. This is 100% of your quiz and test.
Isn't it
6.02 is the number of particles. I'm looking for grams here, right? Because it's asking me to find grams. So I'm looking for grams. So on top, I will have grams of Na2CO3. So how do I find them? Everybody needs to know this procedure. How many sodiums do you have? Two sodiums, right? How heavy is sodium?
22.990.
29.990, right? That's sodium, so you do it 2 times because you have 2 of them. Then I have carbon. How heavy is carbon?
This is 22.
Is it 22? It is 22, I apologize. Thank you. Carbon is how much?
12.0.
12.011. All right. Oxygen is how much?
15.99.
There you go. Add it up. Let's go. Take your calculator, add it up.
89.
What did you get? What did you get? Let me see. 484. No, you did 30.3. It's 100 and what?
Is it 105.988?
988 grams. Does that sound right? Here you go. So you add, you do 2 times, Jacqueline, 2 times 22.990 plus 12.011 plus 3 times 15.999. All right. So 105.998. And if I put that here, it's going to be 105.988. What cancels? The moles. And the moles are the same. Now, the numbers don't cancel. So, what is my answer? You multiply 40 times 105.988 divided by 1, what do you get?
4,239.
So 4239 point, what is it, 52?
Yeah.
52 grams. Alright, that is your answer. 4,000 grams is a lot of grams. That's 4 kilos. Over 4 kilos. That's the weight of a newborn baby. Alright, so 40 moles is very heavy of this specific. Alright. Let's do one more.
39. 452.
Alright, can I move that?
Yeah.
Alright, let's do one more. Let's do number 5. Okay, did you take number 4 down? Let me cover number 4 up. Let's do number 5. Alright, I picked number 5 because it has something that we call formula units. Formula units and particles are the same thing. So if I say formula units and you say particles, that means we speak the same language, right? It means the same thing. It's like saying tomato and tomato, right? Depending on where you're from. Alright, so what I have here is 168 particles. 168 particles of what? Of AGS. Okay, and now I need to change it into moles. So how should I change this into moles? How do I change particles to moles? Okay, 1 mole is how many particles?
6.02 times 10.
That's right, 6.02 times 10 to the power of what?
23.
23 particles. Okay? That's AGS. That's a constant. Each mole has this many particles. So now I can cancel it here, divide it out, and what is my final answer? 2.79 times 10 to the power of what? And my final answer is in moles. Okay? Because I'm looking for moles here, I have moles here. So make sure your units are the same. This helpful? Would you like to do one more, or are you good? You want to review something else?
We can do one more.
All right, let's do one more. Yeah, take a picture if you need to. Okay. You wanna do 6 or 7? Pick one.
6.
All right. Number 6. Number 6 says, calculate moles of 510 grams of Al2S3. So I write down what's given to me, which is 510 grams of Al2S3. And I want it in moles, so I write down 1 mole of Al2S3, and then on the bottom I need my grams of Al2S3. Alright, so how many grams is 1 mole of Al2 aluminum sulfide? What is it? Alright, aluminum is, you didn't give me everything, just the aluminum, right? 26.982, is that right?
Yeah.
So I have 2 of those, so 2 times 28 point, I forgot, 982? Am I writing this down correctly? Is it 26 or 28? 26, the Palma needs glasses. Alright, and then you're laughing, it's gonna happen to you too. And then sulfur is how heavy? 32.068. Alright, add it up.
It's 6.8.
Seriously? Oh gosh. This is the beginning of the end, people. Alright, let's go. Write it down, type it out. From now on, it's going downhill, right?
Let's go.
Okay, what did we get?
I got 154.116.
What is it?
154.116.
The weight? Or the final answer? Which
The
is
weight.
neither. The weight is 2 times 26 point this decimal and 3 times this. What do you get? 150.162. That sounds right. So you put down 150.162 in your problem up here on top. Like so. And now you calculate it. So it's going to be 510.0 times 1 divided by 150.162. Alright, and what do you get? What do you get? $3.396. That's right, and my answer will be in moles. 3.396 moles of Al2S3. Yeah? Okay. All right. Remember, I need both sides turned in from you guys. Okay? Shouldn't take you more than an hour. You get a break for this. Alright. So, before I give you the quiz, I want to review something with you.